So let's take a look at how you can set up domain in your Salesforce developer dashboard. So I logged into my Salesforce developer dashboard, and here on left hand side you see this quick find text box. Okay, now here I'm going to type my domain. Okay, by typing that, it should show me one result, okay, in company settings. Okay, simply click on that. So when you set your domain for that particular account, what will happen is you will be able to deploy your applications that you develop with Aura components, and you'll be able to deploy them to all users that are using your service. Okay, so here you can see it shows you why you should use domain. Okay, so it also gives you option to use your subdomain, as you can see here. So the subdomain has this rest of the path, David, then my.salesforce.com. so here I'm going to type in DevNami and check for availability, and it says available. So I'm going to register this subdomain in my developer account. So clicking on register. Okay, now the domain is registered. You will receive an email when it's ready for testing. So I'm going to copy this and paste it somewhere. Okay, and in between you can wait till you get that email, and once you start creating components and want to see the preview, make sure that you deploy this domain for your users. That would be the final step. You can also check ready for testing part when you get the confirmation mail. Okay, so this was how to set up your own domain in Salesforce developer dashboard.